Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we've got something a little different. I've got a mate, Mick, he's bringing his beetle over. We're going to do some rust repairs on it and wait till you see this thing. It's really cool. It's just going to be coming down the driveway any second. We've just moved out the 55 over there and I've left Miss Purdy in here. We've got enough room just to get her straight in here up on the hoist. And then we're going to shut the roller door because it's about 3 degrees today. It is absolutely freezing out here. Look at this. Who says Australia doesn't get cold? All right, we'll see you back in just a second. That thing's so boss. Yeah. Straight back. All right, guys, so we're going to just give this a couple of little goes. We'll see what it's going to do in terms of whether it'll burn through or not, and go from there. So, all right, Mick, I'll get you to do your bit, which is, yep, that's... Could you feel it? You let it go.
I could.
Yeah, like grabbing it?
Yeah, I could feel it grabbing it, yeah.
Oh, it's actually done a pretty good job. We'll just have to file it back, or grind it back a bit. That's all right. So you can see there, guys, it's you know, it's pretty lumpy bumpy, but we'll just grind that back with die grinder, and then at least the hinge is happy again. Okay, so
happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas.
all right, guys, so we've got the door hinge finished up, and we've actually just had a bit of a play around with some polish just to see how that's going to go with the patina look. And what we're using is the Juice product, which you guys have seen me use on the channel before. It's like a very fine 2000 grit polish, but you can see what it does. We just had a little bit of a go on the front here. Anyway, the repair's done. So this is a 67.
66.
66.
Christmas beetle. December 66.
Christmas beetle, there you go. And you picked it up from an English guy.
Yeah, not far from here. Just bought it from a bloke in, what suburb was it? Near Box Hill anyway.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so didn't have to come far. Yeah.
And obviously, what mod, have you done any mods to it?
No, not yet. I've just got things working a bit better than they were. So I had tyres rubbing, and so I put some new front tyres on. The engine needs a little love still, like it wasn't running really well. We probably need a new carby. But
you can have a look at the interior.
Yeah, it's just pretty original, mate.
Very original.
Too, the sort of old red.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's going to get even more loving as the years go by. Yeah,
well, this is the start of it. You know, fixing up little bits and pieces, and obviously we wanted to use the hoist just to get it up on, and the rear bumper bar will have to go back on it. But we'll probably do another video on just detailing it and polishing it and getting it all. You know, we had a bit of an experiment. Here's
the stuff's amazing. The juice.
That's the juice there. Yeah. And we just used that on the buffer and just did a real quick go. I mean, you can see the difference, you know, here where it hasn't been done as opposed to the front. It's pretty crazy. So, yeah, we'll do another video on it. Mick's only around the corner, so local met you in the surf.
Yes.
Yeah,
that's
so
right.
we're both surfers, which is a good thing or a bad thing if you never ever want to get work done. Whenever the waves are pumping, we're never working. Yeah, so this thing is going to get a few more bits and pieces done to it. We might as well drive it out of here. We've got to connect the battery up and then we get it off the hoist, drive it back out.
All right, I'll just do that now. Oh, hang on.
Yes, we have to push it out.
Push it off the hoist.
All right, so we're going to have a quick look at the interior. Yeah, got the little empty shifter. Gonna like that. Very nice. And 1,223 miles or kilometres. Probably not original kilometres.
Barely running.
Barely run in, that's right. We'll just have a quick look at the motor. And there's a good sticker for Steve. Phew. There we go. Ah, the flux capacitor.
Yeah.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yeah, I had to, this has got your carby on it at the moment. It's not bad. It's an accelerator pump, I think. But yeah, when I got it, all the fuel lines had it, so I had a new coil
Yeah.
and a tune-up.
So that little flat spot is just at the start,
Yeah, yeah,
not its vacuum.
yeah.
Vacuum advance, okay. That eye looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. I like how they've got this little cover over
Yeah, a lot of them
on the late model stuff.
Yeah.
Very cool. Well, we're going to have this back on the channel at a later stage to do some more detailing to it. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Like it.
Nice to have a door that works.
There you go. Unreal. All right, well, we'll get it coming up the driveway.
Righto.
The Great Wall of Demont garage driveway issue that happens up here. So I'll go and set myself up there and then Mick can come up. All right. Here he comes. Woohoo! Unreal. Looks good from out here. Very cool. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it for this episode. It's only a quick one, but we'll just, you know, I thought we'd show you this awesome gem here. And thanks to Mick for bringing it around to show us. And we will catch you in another episode. And stay funky.